Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. In today's video, we are going to discuss about two major updates related to helicopters of Indian Navy. The first one is related to HAL Advanced Light Helicopters LHMK3 and second one is related to MH-60R Seahawks. Talking about the first update, three indigenously built Advanced Light Helicopters Mk3 have been inducted in Indian Navy on 7 June in an induction ceremony of 322 Dega flight. With the induction of these maritime reconnaissance and coastal security helicopters, the Eastern Naval Command got a major boost towards enhancing the capabilities of the force in the pursuit of maritime interest of the nation. These helicopters, built by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, are state-of-art flying machines and constitute a major step in our quest for Atmanirbhar Bharat. LHMK3 helicopters features an array of systems previously seen only on heavier multi-role helicopters of the Indian Navy. These helicopters are fitted with modern surveillance radar and electro-optical equipment which enable them to undertake the role of maritime reconnaissance in addition to providing long-range search and rescue, both by day and night. In addition to the special operations capability, AHMK3 is also fitted with a heavy machine gun to undertake constabulary missions. A removable medical intensive care unit is also fitted on LHMK3 helicopters to airlift critically ill patients. The helicopters also has a host of advanced avionics, making it truly an all-weather aircraft. We have made a detailed video also on the features and specifications of LHMK3 and the link for the same can be found under the description section. Now let's talk about our second update, which is related to MH-60R Seahawk helicopters. The first 3 out of 24 MH-60R Seahawks are expected to be delivered next month. As per the news published by Financial Express Online, dates are in the process of being confirmed for the delivery of the helicopters to Indian missions in US, after which they will be sent to India. The pilots and the ground crew from Indian Navy are already in US undergoing training. They will return with the new MH-60Rs. India and US had inked a deal worth $2.6 billion to acquire 24 MH-60R helicopters during the Trump's visit in February 2020. The deal includes 24 MH-60R helicopters, communication systems, submersible sonar weapon systems, 8 anti-surface Hellfire missiles which are used to destroy ships and other surface targets, Mk-54 lightweight torpedoes, 50 cannons and precision rocket systems. The Seahawk deal was cleared by the Cabinet Committee on Security ahead of the former US President Donald Trump's visit to India in 2020. The helicopters are being acquired via government-to-government foreign military sales FMS route. The MH-60R Seahawk helicopter is the world's most advanced maritime helicopter. It is the most capable naval helicopter available today, designed to operate from frigates, destroyer cruisers, and aircraft carriers. The MH-60Rs are also known as Romeo and is a known helicopter that can hunt submarine deep inside the ocean. Now, talking about its capability, the helicopter plays a crucial role in maritime surveillance and submarine detection. They, when combined with India's P-type Poseidons, will further boost India's submarine hunting capability. The helicopter can be fitted with torpedoes, missiles, and are expected to bolster the Navy's anti-submarine warfare capabilities in the Indian Ocean region, considering that China has deployed submarines and other warships to establish its dominance in the region. The MH-60 Romeo helicopters will replace the British-made Sea King helicopters that New Delhi acquired in 1970s. The MH-60R is already in service with many countries like US Navy, Royal Danish Navy, Royal Australian Navy, and Royal Saudi Naval Forces. Greece is also in the process of acquiring the Seahawks for its naval fleet. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We'll be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.